One question which I sometimes get on my channel under the videos which are more about pre-training and fine-tuning of large language model is that is it possible to fine-tune a LoRa model and with the specifics of different languages. What I mean is that people normally ask that if they can pre-train some model like Mistral 7B or Tiny Llama or even the Code Llama using LoRa or low rank adaptation for multiple languages like Urdu, Hindi, Bengali, Indonesian, and any other language. So, how to go about it? Would it be better to train separate low rank adaptation weights for each language and then merge those individual language specific LoRa weights with the original pre trained weights? Because the main objective which people are trying to do here is to enable the model to effectively learn and adapt to various languages in a more versatile manner. That is why when I stumbled upon this paper which is about efficient and effective text encoding for Chinese llama and alpaca, I was really excited to see that it is possible after all. It is more towards the Chinese language, but you can easily adapt this model or this research to your own use case. So let's get right into it. This is the whole technical report of this paper which you can see here, and let me give you a quick overview as how this works. Now this paper is more about merging the models with the Chinese perspective as I mentioned, but the thing is that in this technical report, these researchers, Yiming, Kui, Ziking, and Zen, they have presented an approach to enhance the Chinese understanding and general or generation capabilities of the Llama model. They have also acknowledged the limitations of the original Llama's Chinese vocabulary, so they have expanded it by incorporating 20,000 additional Chinese tokens, and that has significantly increased its encoding efficiency for the Chinese language. So, if you're looking to do it any another other language, then you can follow the same procedure. In this research, these three researchers have built upon the Chinese llama and this applied supervised fine tuning or SFT with instruction data, resulting in Chinese alpaca model exhibiting improved instruction following capabilities. Also, once they had created this model, in order to evaluate it effectively, they annotated 200 samples across 10 distinct task types and utilized GPT-4 for evaluation. And their experiments have demonstrated that the proposed model significantly outperformed the original llama in Chinese understanding and generation task plus some more. They also tested their models on C-eval dataset, and the results show that the proposed model could achieve significant improvement and show competitive performance to the models with several times bigger sizes. Now, there is also some future work in the pipeline as per this research is concerned. I'm not going to go into the mathematics and all that mumbo jumbo of machine learning, but just to give you an idea, further, what they are looking to do is implement or explore reinforcement learning from human feedback or reinforcement learning from AI instructed feedback or RLAIF to further align the model output with human preferences. Maybe you can also utilize DPO here. Also, they intend to adopt more advanced and effective quantization methods such as GPTQ among various other methodologies. They also aim to investigate alternative methods to LoRa for more efficient and effective pre-training and fine-tuning of LLMs, ultimately enhancing their performance and applicability across various tasks within the Chinese language community, but you can simply adopt it to any other language. Now, there are various limitations to this process because which I believe also applicable to the other languages too, such as harmful and unpredictable content, insufficient training, because we all are suffering from computing power and data availability. So maybe the training of model may not be sufficient for optimal performance. So there will always be a room for language understanding capabilities of the model. Then there is an issue of lack of robustness, comprehensive evaluation, and also scalability and efficiency. Because For example, in this research, they applied LoRA and quantization to make the model more accessible to a broader community. But when combined with original Llama, the model's large size and complexity can lead to difficulty in its deployment, especially for users with limited computational resources. So these are all the limitations which are there, and we have to acknowledge them. But look, at the end of the day, if you are looking to build this same research with any other model, maybe give it a go, because at least it is possible, and I'm more than sure that it will improve with the passage of time. I will drop the link to this technical report in the video's description so that you can read further and maybe adapt it to your own use case. That's it. I hope that this was useful. If you are already doing it, please share your experience for the community here. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.